A gadget for content creators? And we have something special for Iron Man fans and much more interesting stuff. All the links to the products are in the description below, and make sure you subscribe. Radio Flyer, my first Model Y Tesla Kids car. Let your little ones enjoy a real-life driving experience with the Radio Flyer, my first Model Y Tesla Kids car. This product is essentially a toy for children, but it has all of the authentic Tesla Model Y design details. These features create a realistic appearance that little ones will love. In particular, it comes with working steering to put kids in control. The wheels come with a rubber grip tread to keep them safe on the road. There's even a horn that honks. Overall, it will provide hours of fun, and the ergonomic seat ensures optimum comfort. Satechi Apple Watch Mount. The Apple Watch is great and innovative piece of technology, perfectly suited to make your day-to-day life easier. So shouldn't you be able to put it on other things besides your wrist? Introducing the Satechi Apple Watch Mount, the perfect companion for your Apple Watch. Simply attach the mount to a steering wheel or bicycle handlebar and clip in your Apple Watch, allowing you to see your map, messages, music, or incoming calls at a glance. Millennium Falcon Multi-Tool Kit. Give the Galaxy a run for its money with the Millennium Falcon Multi-Tool Kit from ThinkGeek. Equipping you with everything you could need, this compact system is so much more than a spaceship. This tool is officially licensed and an exclusive creation from ThinkGeek. The Millennium Falcon Multi-Tool Kit features 2 screwdrivers, 4 hex keys, and an adjustable wrench for any DIY that comes your way. With both a Phillips head and a slot head, the hex keys and screwdrivers are all made of carbon steel. VogDUO Charger Pro Slim Travel Wall Charger. Charge up to 3 devices at the same time with the VogDUO Charger Pro Slim Travel Wall Charger. Offering 30 watts of power, the charger can charge your phone, tablet, and other USB devices quickly and simultaneously. With only half an inch of thickness, Charger Pro comfortably fits in your pocket, bag, or purse for charging on the go. It also provides 270 degrees of flexibility thanks to the integrated swivel plug, which is patented in many countries. This makes it easier to plug in and charge regardless of where the outlet is. Providing universal support for 120 to 240 volts, Charger Pro allows you to quickly charge in pretty much any country in the world. The charger also comes with an LED indicator so you can easily find it in the dark. Charger Pro comes in 3 colors: black, red, and white. Nixon Dork 2 Smartwatch. Take life less seriously with the Nixon Dork 2 Smartass Watch. Simply press a button for the Dork 2 to yell the time and more. Featuring an eye-free way to tell the time, the Dork 2 comes with a real personality. Combining retro and modern design, the watch offers a fashionable take on a timeless style. Offering edge-to-edge crystal, the custom digital LCD offers functions like time, date, and alarm. It also provides an EL backlight to help you see the screen in the dark. In addition, the rechargeable Dork 2 plugs into your USB for easy charging. Moreover, the 34mm stainless steel case features perforated stainless steel pushers and covers. Designed to unleash your playful side, the Nixon Dork 2 Smartass Watch tells time in a fun way. SANDMARC Aqua Filter for GoPro. Sick of your underwater footage drowning in color? Use the SANDMARC Aqua Filter for GoPro and perfect every shot you take. Made to fit with your official GoPro underwater camera housing, this filter accounts for the oversaturation typically found in underwater settings. The SANDMARC Aqua filter set comes with a sturdy frame for the housing along with 5 interchangeable filters depending on your setting. The yellow filter is for dives at night, the magenta for green water, and the 3 shades of red are for dives at 5 to 20 feet, 20 to 50 feet, and over 50 feet. Ricoh VM 6x21 WP High Performance Monocular. The Ricoh VM 6x21 WP High Performance Monocular is easy to operate with one hand. In fact, it's ergonomically designed, making it simple to use. Also, it's lightweight and compact, allowing you to take it anywhere with you on the go. Its palm-sized body and non-slip rubber grip provide a secure hold. The Ricoh VM 6x21 WP has a bright and clear view with high contrast and excellent optical performance. Furthermore, it's waterproof up to 1 meter, providing plenty of options to use it. It also has a real field of view up to 8.2 degrees, allowing you to see a large amount of your scenery. Suunto Eon Steel Dive Computer. Divers can now enjoy a next-generation computing experience underwater with the help of this Suunto Eon Steel Dive Computer. It is a fully customizable dive computer that comes with a bright color screen and has an extremely durable construction. The clarity is perfect for the underwater view that has been provided with the heavy-duty housing, a stainless steel bezel, and user-updatable software. It's the perfect companion divers can use to keep track of their data, which helps them focus on their dive even more. This design is durable and developed in close relationship with active divers. You can choose to have it with or without transmitters. UNIQ Hoveo Wireless Power Bank. Charge your phone on the go with ease when you have the UNIQ Hoveo Wireless Power Bank with a stand. With a 5,000 mAh battery and 15 watts of power for wireless charging, it's the ideal necessity for the go. Moreover, this power bank with a stand features 20-watt USB-C power delivery to charge an iPhone to 50% in 30 minutes. In fact, its high-capacity battery allows you to charge your smartphone to 100%, so you'll never have to worry about a dead battery again. Finally, the UNIQ Hoveo includes a built-in aluminum stand for hands-free viewing in portrait or landscape mode. Best of all, it transitions from a power bank to a docking station in a couple of seconds. WeMo Switch Plus Motion Sensor. The Belkin WeMo Switch Plus Motion Sensor bundle for your iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch is one of the most useful consumer electronics accessories available in the market today. You can use it to remotely switch your home electronics on and off. The WeMo works with your home Wi-Fi network and will enable you to use your Apple devices to control the electronics back home. The best part is that this remote control capability is combined with motion sensors. OTOTO Humphrey Egg Slicer Whale. Make your cooking time more enjoyable with the OTOTO Spaghetti Monster Colander Strainer. Featuring expressive eyes and a unique design, this kitchen accessory adds a cute touch to any kitchen. Spaghetti Monster makes straining pasta and other ingredients more enjoyable and entertaining. Made entirely from plastic, the Spaghetti Monster Colander Strainer drains excess water from your ingredients. Likewise, the food-safe material ensures your food is safe to eat afterward, no matter how hot the contents are. With a diameter of 8 inches, the strainer fits plenty of spaghetti in one go. Satechi Desk Mat and Mate. You can use it for housing your keyboard and mouse, as well as a reading or writing surface, and the Satechi Desk Mat and Mate won't disappoint you either way. It is available in a variety of colors and is undoubtedly a great addition for any kind of workspace. This desk mat comes with an elegant and textured surface finish which is great to work on. The colors you can choose from are a vibrant pink, orange, green, violet, blue, soft pink, lime, or even more professional colors such as brown, cream white, or black. The wide surface area makes sure you're able to store your accessories comfortably. Vifa City Wireless Loudspeaker. From the park to your friend's house, the Vifa City Wireless Loudspeaker ensures you have a fun atmosphere. Though it's a super compact wireless loudspeaker, the city still emits 360-degree sound. Available in bright color combinations such as ultramarine coral and terracotta blue, this portable speaker is a statement piece. Additionally, it's circular in size and just 105 millimeters in diameter, making this portable loudspeaker super easy to tote around with you. You can play music wirelessly over Bluetooth or connect your device to this wireless speaker via its USB-C port.